At the height of the COVID pandemic and government restrictions, prosecutors say 6 men upset by those rules plotted to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer of Michigan from her summer home and blow up the bridge leading to it so police would have a hard time responding. 4 of those men are now on trial. 2 of them, Adam Fox and Barry Croft, are accused of being the masterminds meeting in the basement of a vacuum cleaner store where Fox worked to discuss the plot. Court documents say the group was closely monitored by 2 undercover FBI agents and at least 5 informants, and that some of them watched the men set off explosives, surveil the governor's summer home, and conduct exercises to practice using weapons. But defense lawyers say all those undercover agents and informants egged the men on, pushing them deeper into the plot. They also contend that the men cannot be found guilty of conspiring with government informants, but a former prosecutor disagrees.
In this case, there are 4 defendants on trial for entering into an agreement to commit a crime. The mere fact that there were government agents that were also pretending to go along doesn't in any way diminish that conspiracy.
And Pete Williams joins us now from our Washington newsroom. So, Pete, what evidence does the government have that the jury is going to hear in the coming days?
Well, there's lots of evidence in this case because these people were so closely monitored by federal undercover agents and informants. So there's video of what they met and talked about. There's audio. There's video of them going on these training missions to practice shooting their weapons. There's video of them practicing to blow explosives up, video of them surveilling the governor's summer home. So there's lots of evidence in this case that the government has gathered.
Certainly much more to come in this trial, Pete. So the defense is essentially accusing the FBI of entrapment here. How's the government responding to that?
Well, yes, and that's because there were all these informants and 7 people total, informants and undercover agents. And what the defense says is that they were the ones who pushed these 4 people into doing what they did. But a very strong tool that the government will have in its case is that there were 2 other people originally, 2 other men originally arrested in this case. They have since pleaded guilty, and the government says they will testify that this was not the government egging the men on, that this was their idea, the idea of the defendants.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.